Hello!
How are you, everyone?
We are great!
Do you like Sundarban?
Yes!
Do you like this island?
Yes!
Do you like Dublachor?
Yes!
We have to say goodbye. Are you happy or unhappy?
Unhappy!
Okay. What is better? I mean, Dublachor. I mean, Sundarban or Cox's Bazar? What is better?
Sundarban, obviously.
Okay, say how is it better than other areas?
Because in Sundarban we can see the forest, many animals full of greens, and there is a sea beach as well as islands and full of sea. And yeah, and we can get to sheep and we can move everywhere. So there are a lot of
You have already passed 2 days, so what is your experience today in details?
Okay, so in the first day we after a long journey we came to the ship and it was really amazing, and we took a lot of pictures, and we went to different places by boat, like the forest areas. Then on the second day is the special day. We woke up and I skipped the point. In the first day we had breakfast, snacks, lunch, dinner, a lot of things, and we enjoyed a lot, and the food was really yummy. And on the second day it was special because we woke up at 4 a.m. and we were given some small eggs and bird's egg, quail, and apple to eat, and we went to the long
I mean, that
path.
is Jamtola Sea Beach.
Yeah, sea beach, to go to the sea beach. It was
Almost 7 kilometers.
7 kilometers, and I wasn't tired. And after that we got on the trawler.
Then Kotka.
Yeah,
Kotka.
then we visited a lot of places.
Forest.
Kotka forest.
Forest.
After that we came to the ship, and then we after a long time, then we are again here right now. And
Have you got any foreign friend here?
yeah,
What did you talk with him? What's his name?
his name is Mr. Joseph, and he is from
He's
Spain.
from Spain. Okay.
Spain, and another person who is from England.
Torney.
Yeah, Tony, and some few Indian peoples.
Okay, so how is the weather at this moment? And how
The
is
weather
environment?
is so nice. It's like you can see the sun,
Okay, sun then.
and since it's an island.
We are waiting for sunset.
Yeah, we are waiting for sunset, and since it's beside it's an island. That's why we can get the water.
It is called Dublachor.
Yeah, Dublachor.
Maybe, and we may swim here also.
Yeah,
We have
and
swimming preparation.
swimming, and since we are surrounded by sea bodies, that's why we are getting a lot of air, and there is so windy.